You can visit our website for the commands in the videos. If you want to purchase other study materials like packet tracer files and other course guidelines, then you can email to us. Follow us on Facebook for further updates. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe so I can quickly deliver more videos on various topics. You can compare the previous route table and the present one after configuring routing. Okay, you can see. The letter C indicates directly connected networks. Letter S indicate static routes. Okay, and the first IP address on the left side is the networks which you configured route. Okay, those are the networks the router can reach. Okay, the last IP address are next hop IP address. If there is an interface name, which means the exit interface. Okay, via that interface only it can reach the other end. Okay, now you can ping anywhere in the network from PC1, and same thing appears for all other devices, right? Let's check that now. Fast forward several times, okay, to see the updated routing configuration. Go to PC1, go to command prompt and ping the printer. Ping 192.168.40.5. You can see initially you are getting the request timeout message, right? This is for the first time. Okay. Again, if you try to ping, you can get the reply. You can see the first 3 packets have been dropped. The last packet is pinging. Okay. Sometimes to update the route protocol, it takes a bit of time for the routers. Okay. So that's why initially the first 3 packets drop, because address resolution protocol. The router doesn't know how to reach that network since it didn't exchange packets initially. Okay. So it took a bit of time to update. Okay. So the 4th packet has been pinged properly because it has been done after the updation. Okay. Now if you type up arrow and again type the same ping statement, it will ping properly. Okay. Because now the router knows how to reach that path. You can see it's getting the replies. Okay. So next you can ping other devices as well. 192.168.30.5, something like that. Okay. So here also you can see initially a request timeout came and then the packets are pinging. Okay. This is how it works. Okay. Next time when you try to ping, it works properly. Initially there's a request timeout message, then it's pinging, right? Because of the address resolution protocol packets, first packet has been dropped. Okay. Due to the delay. Then the other packets are receiving properly. You can get the replies. Okay. If you try to ping it again, the replies will be received properly. Okay. Now we have configured the routing. If you want to remove any particular route command, you can enter the router and type show run and find the routing command you have specified. Then copy it and go to config mod and type no space the command and enter it. The command will be removed. Okay. So now you can see by typing show run, you can see the IP assignments and other routing commands what you have specified earlier. Okay. Here you can see the interfaces and the IP addresses. Type spacebar and you will get the routing commands. Okay. You can see all 5 commands we have specified for static routing. If you want to remove anything, just copy the particular command, route command. For example, 192.168.40.network. I am copying that particular command. Okay. Copy it. And go to the privilege mod and then config mod, config T. Okay. Now type no space, paste the command. Okay. And enter. So by specifying no in front of the command, simply we can remove the command. Okay. This is what going to happen. Just enter it. So now if you type show IP route in the privilege mod, or here if you want, you can type do space show IP route. Okay. In the config. Okay. Just check out the routing table and verify whether the routing command has been removed or not. Okay. You can see the particular route command for 40.network has been removed. Now if you ping to that particular network, 40.network, destination unreachable message will be the reply for you. Okay. Because in the routing table, there is no route for that particular network. Okay. If there is no route for the network in routing table, then you will get the destination unreachable message. Okay. Not the request timeout message. Okay. In config mod, if you want, you can type do show IP route. Okay. These are the basics. You already knew it. Okay. Go to PC, command prompt, ping the network. Okay. Ping space 192.168.40.5. Ping space 192.168.40.5, which gives you destination unreachable message. Because in the routing table, there is no route for the particular network. Okay. Also in the routing table, you can see gateway of last resort is not set, which means there is no default route configured. For example, for the 40.network, there is no route in router 1, but router 2 has a route for 40.network, right? So what we do with default route is just forward the packet to router 2. Even if you don't know how to reach that 40.network, don't drop the packet, just forward it to the next router. That is what done by the default route. Okay. Which we will see in the upcoming lessons. By now, just have an idea. Okay. So if you ping the 30.network, you can get the reply, right? From router 1. Because router 1 knows how to reach the 30. We have configured the static route. But we remove the 40.network static route command. So it shows the destination unreachable message. So now we have pinged the static route for 30. Let's see how the simulation works for 30.network. Okay. Go to simulation mode. As we already did in the basic lessons, we just need the ARP and ICMP packets. Okay. We can uncheck all other checkboxes. We can uncheck all other checkboxes here in the edit filter. Just keep only the ARP and ICMP packets. Okay. Go to PC and ping space 192.168.30.5. Now you can see the packet simulation. Okay. By forwarding, we can analyze the packets. We have done these things in the basics lessons. Okay, source address, destination address, everything will be specified. If you forward it to the next steps, you can see the inbound PDU and outbound PDU both. Okay, you already practiced those in the previous lessons. I'm just recording it. Okay, just forward and see. By moving to the outbound PDU, we can see the source and destination IPs. You can click on autoplay or step by step you can forward it. Okay, you can see the other packets as well. Now you can see inbound PDU and outbound PDU in the router's packet. Okay, again it's moving to the next level. So here the packet reached the destination, but still the ping is not successful. The packet must return to the source, then only the ping is successful. Okay. Now you can see the source it shows as 10.5 and destination 30.5. Okay, 192.168.30.5. When you move on for the next step, it will be changed. Okay, the source will be 30.5 and destination will be 10.5. Okay. Now you can see it's showing outbound PDU. Source is 10.5 and destination is 30.5. You can see the difference between source and destination comparing both the inbound PDU and outbound PDU. Okay. When returning to the PC, the source is 30.5, which means 192.168.30.5, and the destination is going to be 192.168.10.5. You can compare both inbound and outbound PDU and understand it better. Now just check the command prompt of PC. Okay. Once after it returned to the PC, it shows as one packet ping has been completed. Okay. Once after the packet reaches to the destination and return to the PC, which means one ping has been completed. Okay. Next one, when you forward again, you can see it will process. Okay. The STP packets are for looping avoidance mechanism, which used for spanning tree protocols. Later in our lessons, we will do that. Okay. If you return to the real-time mode, you can see how the packets are pinging. You can visit our website for the commands in the videos. If you want to purchase other study materials like packet tracer files and other course guidelines, then you can email to us.